binary coded decimal BCD. It is nothing but representation of a decimal number in binary with a specific code of 8421. The most specific code we are using for BCD is 8421. That is, each decimal digit is represented with 4 bits with the weights of 8421. Let us take an example of 45. This is a decimal number. 5 is represented as 0, 1, 0, 1 and 4 is represented as 0, 1, 0, 0. Representing this 45 in the form of binary required only 6 bits, whereas in BCD it requires, each digit requires 4 bits, totally 8 bits. So it takes more number of bits, but it is easier to convert. The advantage of binary coded decimal is it is easy to convert decimal to binary and binary to decimal, but the principal disadvantage is it is less efficiency, because as it takes the more number of bits, it is little bit low efficiency. BCD addition is better understood by taking 3 cases. That is, first case is sum equals to 9 or less with carry 0. So considering an example, 6 plus 3. So 6 BCD representation is 0, 1, 1, 0 and 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. So on adding these two numbers, we get as 1, sum is 0, carry 1, 0, sum is and carry 1. So the BCD result is 9. In this case, addition is carried out in a normal binary addition because the sum is 9, which is a binary code decimal. Second case is sum is greater than 9 with carry 0. So let us consider an addition of 6 and 8 in BCD. 6 and 8 binary addition is 0, 1, 1, 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. So it is also 14. It is an invalid BCD where sum is greater than 9. Whenever this condition occurs, it is to be corrected by adding the invalid BCD sum with 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. So we get it as 0, sum is 0, carry 1, sum 1 and carry 1, sum 0 and carry 1. So it is left. So it is to be written over here and it should be preceded with the 3 zeros. So the first 4 bits represent 4 and the next 4 bits represent 1. So this is corrected in this way by adding 0110 for the invalid sum of BCD. So this is second case. And let us see the third case. Sum equals to 9 or less with carry 1. So this is the third case. Let us consider addition of 8 and 9 in BCD. The result is in BCD form, but it is wrong. So we need to correct by adding with 6 to the least significant digit. So take down here 1 000, add 6 to the least significant digit. So on adding 6 to the least significant digit, we get as 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0 and this is 1, 0, 0, 0. So this first 4 bits represents the first decimal digit and the remaining 4 bits represent the second decimal digit. This is 7 and this is 1. So which is equals to 17. So it is to be corrected by adding 6 when sum equals to 9 but with a carry. So this is the third case. From the above three cases, BCD addition can be summarized as: add the two BCD numbers using ordinary binary addition. If the 4 bits sum is equals to or less than 9, no correction is needed. See, like in the first case, sum is equals to 9 and no carry. So, no correction is required. The sum is BCD only. And in the second case, sum is greater than 9. So, it is invalid BCD. So, it is to be corrected by adding with 0110, that is with 6. 6 is added with the invalid sum. So, we obtained the valid BCD for 14. And in the third case, sum is less than 9 but a carry is obtained. So, it is to be corrected by adding with 6. And if further carry is obtained, then it is to be added with the next higher order BCD digit. In this way, the BCD addition can be summarized as mentioned. Hope you understood.